Okay, here's Nico enjoying his first solid foods. Very ripe banana. Chew it up, Nico. You like it? Yeah, chew it up. Use your teeth.
Take more.
No, let him swallow that one first, then we'll give him more. Like it?
Take more, Mama.
Yeah, pretty soon we'll let him swallow that piece first. Did you swallow it? Yeah, looks like you did. You want some more? Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Me and Nick have a little bit of a head cold. Here, there's another piece. It's banana, Nick. Some more? You're making silly faces.
Take more, Molly.
No. We'll give him some more cereal.
More cereal.
He's got to practice.
More banana.